Okay, guys, I just wanted to go over a few things to help you guys with the draft this year, since there's going to be a couple of changes, specifically the keeper situation. Um, so we'll go over that first, just how to select your keeper. It's pretty straightforward. So when you go to your team up here, it's going to say keepers. So you just click on that and then you select your keeper. So I'm going to keep Dalvin Cook, and then at the bottom I submit, and he's my keeper. You can change this. This won't lock. I'm probably going to change it so you have to lock it in a week before the draft. This will allow people to see who's being kept before the draft begins, so they know who's available in the draft pool, because whoever's not kept obviously goes into the draft for when we draft our teams. So I'm going to probably set that for a week before our draft once we figure out what the date of that is, so everyone kind of knows the situation with who's available. The other thing I want to go over, which is kind of important, is trading before the draft. Now, this probably won't happen that much, and it's fine, but it is an option because we have a keeper. You have the ability to trade a player away for draft positions, or a combination of everything. So you can trade away one player for your draft position for your opponent's better draft position, or a combination like that. The reason why you might want to be doing something like this is if, let's say, you have two amazing first round picks, or who is considered to be a first round pick, and another team has crap players. So they don't really have a viable keeper, or maybe you just have better options for them. So you have the ability to trade away one of your amazing players to them, so that might be their keeper. So you can, let's say JP has crap players, so I want to offer a trade with JP. I'm going to trade him one of my amazing players. I'm kind of going about this the wrong way, but I'm going to propose a trade here with John Paul. I'm going to say for his 6th round pick, I will give him his favorite player of all time, Miami's Patrick Laird. That's going to be his keeper. And then I would finalize the trade offer, and he would obviously accept that. So in that situation, since Patrick Laird is his favorite player, that will become his keeper. And I, in turn, will get his 6th round pick. Oh, crap. In order to make that happen, I forgot, I also have to trade away one of my draft picks. So I'd give him my 17th round. So essentially what ends up happening is I'm trading away my superstar for his 6th round, and he gets my last pick. And then I would finalize that, and everything would be kosher, and we'd go ahead with that. So this is an option for everyone. You can do this. Just keep in mind that there is only one keeper on your team. There's no point in stockpiling a bunch of amazing players, because you only get to keep one. All the rest go into the draft pool. The other thing to keep in mind is first round here, you're not allowed to trade for, because this first round pick is actually reserved for the keeper, as it says here, reserved for keeper selection. It doesn't affect how the draft works if you were in last place, or depending on sort of the lottery. If you get first pick, you will still get first pick right here. So that's not an issue. Anyway, this is something that's added once you have a keeper. Like I said, no big deal. Don't have to touch any of it. But you will have to select a keeper before the season begins. And hopefully we can get things started soon. If you have any questions, obviously ask me, email me, whatever. And hopefully we'll get together soon for this draft. Talk to you guys later.